Hello.
Nice. Nice.
That went well.
Try it again, Rini.
She got a little excited, but she didn't bark.
No, she didn't. We turned the volume down before it went too high, right? So we just turned it down just before it got too high. Now here.
I think you put a finger under a leash or something,
Actually,
or did you? Oh, you didn't even do.
I didn't.
You didn't even do that. Oh, okay.
So this time, because she was coming from the east, she couldn't get a smell.
Right.
This time she's coming from the west.
Right.
She's already getting more information about Gracie. Nice job, young lady. Okay. Kelly?
Nice thing was in the store when that kind of thing happened, when there was a big dog on a leash that was straining against the leash, and she didn't react. She was fine. The other dog had more of a problem. She didn't have a problem. And a couple other times too in stores where we went, and there were other dogs. She was fine. No barking, no going crazy.
So here she's just getting information, right? She's just getting information about Gracie. She's seeing that nothing bad is happening, right? There's nothing pretty uneventful, so she's learning to just relax. Now Irene's also making sure that Gracie doesn't stare at her, because she doesn't want to make Jelly Bean uncomfortable. She wants her to see another dog in the scenario that's neutral.
Right.
It's not like giving the showdown. And boxers are notorious for having the stink eye.
Oh.
Because they're very, what we call frontal.
Oh.
They're in the bully breed, so they're very frontal. Good.
So bulldogs are like that too, right?
Bulldogs, pits,
Yep.
boxers, they're very frontal, and so dogs can misread that whole body language. And so boxers are the #1 breed that get kicked out of daycare.
Really?
#1
Wow.
breed.
Wow.
Because they're very